Working with Siemens, we have delivered over 1 megawatt of solar system across multiple sites for Museums Victoria. A project like this showcases Autonomous Energy's capability to deliver high-quality engineering solutions to a client over multiple sites, on time, on budget, and minimise disruption to the facilities. Melbourne Museum was a unique project. The site itself has been surrounded by underground car parks, which prevents conventional cranes to lift up material, and the only way to get the material up on the roof was using a helicopter lifting technique. Facilities such as this have a unique and complex load. They require very reliable energy systems to work continuously to ensure the collections are kept safe. So as part of our delivery of the system, we minimize the disruption to the energy supply, and the shutdowns were done at a very short interval. It's very satisfying to see government bodies invest in a large solar system. It sends a clear message to the community that solar energy will be part of the solution to tackle climate change and reduce our carbon footprint moving forward.